Do you want to understand accounting in a simple and practical way? This guide is designed for students, beginners, and professionals. Let's begin your journey into the world of accounting. Accounting becomes easy when the basic concepts are clear. First concept, business entity. A business and its owner are treated as two separate entities. Even if one person owns the business, the records remain separate.
Mr. Raul invests money into his business. The coins represent the investment flowing into the company account. This transaction is labeled owner investment into new business.
The business receives this amount as capital. In accounting, the owner and the business are recorded separately. This separation ensures accurate financial records. One side tracks the owner's personal performance. This concept forms the foundation of accounting. Now let's move to business transactions. A transaction is any business activity that involves money. Buying goods for the business is a transaction. Selling goods is also a business transaction. Paying salary to employees is a business transaction. Here, we confirm the payment details. A tap processes the transaction securely. The status updates to processed. Paying office rent is another transaction. All transactions change the financial position of the business. But not every activity is a business transaction. For example, non-monetary activities are not transactions. Remember, not every activity equals a transaction. If an activity cannot be measured in money, it is not recorded. Now let's understand the concept of events. Transactions are actions, but events are their results. Profit is an example of an event. Events are created from multiple transactions. This helps us understand business performance. Profit increases the capital of the owner.
Loss reduces the capital.
So capital represents the owner's investment in the business. Now let's understand drawings. When the owner takes money for personal use, it is called drawings. Now let's understand drawings. This reduces the capital of the business. Drawings are personal expenses, not business expenses. Now let's move to the concept of assets. Assets are everything the business owns. Cash is one of the most important assets. Machinery and equipment are also assets.
Furniture and laptops are part of business assets.
Money to be received from others is also an asset. So anything owned with value is an asset. Now let's understand types of assets. Assets are divided into current and non-current. Current assets are used within 1 year. Cash, stock, and debtors are current assets. Cash, stock, and debtors are current assets.
Non-current assets are used for a long period.
Buildings and machinery are non-current assets. Now let's move to liabilities. Liabilities are amounts the business has to pay. A bank loan is a liability. A bank loan is a liability. A bank loan is a liability. Salary payable is also a liability. A bank loan is a liability. So liabilities are obligations of the business. Liabilities can be classified into different types. Owner's capital is treated as an internal liability. Loans and creditors are external liabilities. These must be paid to outside parties. Now let's understand the balance sheet. A balance sheet shows assets and liabilities. Both sides are always equal. This is the basic accounting equation. A balance sheet shows financial position at a point in time.
More assets indicate stronger business.
More liabilities increase financial risk. Maintaining balance is essential. It is divided into two sides. One side shows assets. The other side shows liabilities. Both together show complete financial status. Let's look at a simple example. Assets and liabilities are listed with values.
This helps understand business health clearly. Now let's understand expenditure.
Expenditure means money spent by the business. It is divided into capital and revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure gives long-term benefits. For example, buying machinery.
It creates assets for the business.
Revenue expenditure is for short-term use.
For example, paying salary.
Paying rent is also revenue expenditure.
It does not create assets. Capital and revenue expenditure are different. One is long-term, the other is short-term. One creates assets, the other is consumed. Now let's move to revenue. Revenue is income earned by the business.
Selling goods generates revenue.
Revenue increases business performance.
Providing services also earns revenue.
There are different types of revenue.
Understanding revenue is essential for business success.
Revenue can be classified into operating and non-operating. Operating revenue comes from core business activities. For example, selling products.
Non-operating revenue comes from other sources. For example, interest earned from investments.
Operating revenue is regular, while non-operating is occasional. Total revenue is important for business performance.
Profit depends on revenue and expenses.
When revenue exceeds expenses, profit is earned.
When expenses exceed revenue, loss occurs.
Let's quickly revise what we have learned.
Business and owner are separate entities.
Transactions involve money. Assets are what the business owns. Liabilities are what the business owes.
Balance sheet shows financial position.
These concepts build strong financial understanding.
This knowledge is valuable for students, beginners, and professionals.
Keep learning, keep growing, and build your future with knowledge. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and continue your learning journey.